will pass, and dictators die, and the power they took from